This tutorial review will show you how to make Instagram motivation post in mobile. So open your browser and open this website canva.com. If you're first time here, you have to create an account for free. So create an account, then you will jump into this page. Now tap on the search box at the top and type here Instagram motivation, and you will find this suggestion here, motivational Instagram post. So tap on it. Now you will get lots of free and paid motivational post templates here. You can pick a free template to customize or download it. So I'm going to selecting this first one. And now the editing panel will open up here. Then from here you can edit or customize these posts according to your requirements. Just tap on the part you want to change. And once you completed the editing, it's time to download it. So tap on the share icon at the top right, tap on download and tap on file type, and from here you can select JPG format, PNG format. So I suggest to select here PNG and then click on download, tap on download, and the post will be downloaded in your mobile. Once it's downloaded, you can easily post these motivation posts to your Instagram. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.